Sun, 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 my love. Show me the lights, those dim bright lights, the sun, my love. Show me, show me, show me, sun, my love. Walk with me, walk with me, walk with me to sign my love. From the inner harbor to the outer bay, the arcades, the city lights, so, so bright. Show me, show me, show me, sign my love. Sign my love, sign my love. Oh.
We're just gonna have a little slice of October the 5th Street after the typhoon. So I just was walking around and seeing a lot of people kind of putting things together. Anyways, let's put it up on the map, then we'll explain it all when we come back. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Let's do it. So we're still under category 8. We did see quite a few people who are, actually all this was submerged by water, by the way, so I can feel it in the cement. So earlier it was flooded and there was like people were catching fish. Here's a temple that had some scaffolding, but actually it's not too bad. But yeah, all of this would have been submerged by water. There's a hotel right here, and you can see all these storm guards. So they had water all the way up there.
I want to find a fish.
Yeah. So the cars are kind of moving in and about now, and there was some areas where people were catching fish. I don't know exactly the street that was on, but it would have been somewhere in the inner harbor down here. And now there's lots of people that are kind of putting things back together. They're taking their storm guards down, their water guards.
They don't have power here.
Oh yeah, that's a good observation. So some of these areas they took the power out, especially where there was flooding. So I think this would have been one of them. You see no flooding, no electricity. So yeah. So after the flooding, there's looks like people are kind of picking stuff up, picking up the debris, putting it in piles. And then later they can take it away. And then we were up a little bit more inland a little bit in another video. And in that one we could see how high the water had gone up there. So here it would have been higher. So these I think came out, so they probably would have submerged all of that in water. So they brought all the kitchens out and just letting everything kind of out of the kitchen here. So you can see, that's what it looked like the other time too. Everybody had to get the water out of their place first. This was in 2017 and 2018. So yeah, this is October the 5th Street. This area used to be at the waterfront in Macau, historically. And then they reclaimed it and built more land and kind of changed the dynamic of it. These are storm guards, so what they do is they put these up so that the water doesn't get into the places. So the ones that had the storm guards were probably safer. It's kind of interesting because there's like no buses right now as well. So these streets are like, I should probably walk from that side. So yeah, there's no buses. So the traffic is really quiet right now as well. Okay, so we're just kind of checking it out. So all of that would have been underwater a little bit. I don't know to what level, but they're bringing all the water out first. This is Rua dos Invernarios. Oh, this is a not different street. It's the name escapes me at the moment. See, all of this would have been submerged. You still see some debris, but I think mostly you're kind of seeing people cleaning up now. It's still category 8. So once the category 8s come, they'll start cleaning and getting the water out of their spots, and then this probably would have been flooded in this area, I'm pretty sure. And they're still sweeping stuff out of their shops. Live like a local. And here's another one as well. So they're bringing everything out. And some people had sandbags like over here. They must have they're bringing all their chairs out, so they must be bringing everything out of that one. So yeah, this is basically after the typhoon here, so we're not too far from the waterfront. And I believe that the water would have came up right over there, and then they would have submerged a lot of this in this area. So that's our October the 5th street right there. And then the waterfront will be right here. So I think all that water would have came in underneath. So I think maybe what we can do is maybe we can walk down that way and see what that looks like over there. So this will conclude for this particular street. So a little slice of what the street looks like right after a typhoon category 10 happened.